And I wanted to share with you guys this cool new donut set that's available at Mr. Donuts. Now, if you know anything about Japan, you know that the best and probably only place really to get donuts is at Mr. Donuts. And they have long-running collaborations with lots of different characters and such. And just recently, in the past few years, I've noticed as I've lived here that they've done a lot more theme and holiday-oriented kinds of donuts. In the past, they didn't do nearly as much, but really just in the last couple of years, especially for Halloween and for Christmas, I see them doing a lot more things. So this is the special Halloween bag that you can get, or box, I guess you'd say, that you can get. Now you get 7 donuts of your choice, and then you also get this cool box. And it's 1,000 yen for all of that. So you can see the outside here has this cute little bag, clear bag, and then inside we have our box. Here. So this is what the box looks like in a whole, if you look at it from zoomed out here. As you can tell, it's a Hello Kitty special series, and this is like a little haunted house here, and then out of the top attic window or door, if you will, Hello Kitty, dressed up like a witch, is coming out with this little toy. And then in her hands, she's holding actually what is a felt version of the Hello Kitty special Halloween version donut that you can get at Mr. Donut. It's shaped like a jack-o'-lantern, but with cute Hello Kitty ears and a little ribbon on it. So I'll show you the parts to all this so you guys can appreciate it a little better up close. First of all, for the Hello Kitty here, she's really cute. She stands about probably 6 inches at least. I'll open her up here and see. Just a cute little simple kind of plush doll. And like I said, she's dressed up like a little witch with the cute little hat. I don't know if I can zoom out far enough for you guys to see that. And then she's holding the cute little donut cookie there. And she has her little outfit on. The quality of the plush, you know, is not like super high. You can tell when you touch it and feel the kind of material it's made out of. It's not like a high-end toy, but for the price, you know, usually donuts are 100 yen to 150 yen. So to get 7 of them for 1,000 yen is a pretty good deal, and then you consider the box and her are kind of free. So you get the little plush of her for the Halloween celebration. And then this, like I said, this is the box, and you really have to kind of see the whole thing to appreciate how cute it is here. The window opens, and you can see Hello Kitty hiding inside there with a little jack-o'-lantern. So, little ghosts on either side. Super cute. They take a lot of care to make something really cute that you can enjoy. So, let's see here. We'll open up here. You can make all these little guys stand up, the little bats and stuff, if you want to make it look more like a cool table decoration when you're finished. So I'll open up here. Definitely a cool thing to have if you're going to have like a little Halloween party and you wanted to have a special treat to enjoy with everyone. This would be something fun. So it all kind of opens up, and then you've just got usual little donuts in here. Now I tried to get one of each kind here. Let me see if I can show them to you guys properly without making a mess everywhere. There's 5 different special donuts for this Halloween time. Of course, most importantly here, we've got the one that matches the Hello Kitty, the one that Hello Kitty's holding here, so you can kind of see they're the same. It's a kind of a harder, the old-fashioned kind of donut glazed with orange, and then a cute little Hello Kitty ribbon there on top. And then we also have same flavor of the donut, but with a strawberry frosting, and still a cute little pink ribbon. And then we also have the old-fashioned donut dipped in that orange glaze. And then I don't know if the colors are showing up here, but there's purple and black sprinkles, so perfect for Halloween. Nice little old-fashioned dipped there. And then we also have this little ghost one, which is super cute. It's like a little strawberry glazed ghost with a cute little face. So that's kind of a fun little one. And pondering, glazed in orange, again with that black and purple sprinkle series. So there's a kind of all of the versions that you can get in this set. And I got 7, so I got actually 2 of the Pondering and 2 of the Hello Kitty ones that are orange. But really super cute, fun thing. If you happen to be here, you have to go during a seasonal time so you can really enjoy the cute things that they have to offer for this time of year.